I give a lot of gifts, so I always keep tissue paper on hand. 120 sheets of glittery fun here. Super cute. Right out of the package. I love these. I just wanted to start using them immediately. They're super cute. And you get a ton, 120 sheets, which is awesome. 8 colors. They're bright and sparkly. They have a shimmery effect. See the glitter? And they're not overwhelming. They are 20 by 14, which is really important. Flexible size, 20 by 14, easy to fold, easy to stuff. And hey, if you're really creative, you can shape them into like paper flowers. They don't tear super easily, which I really like because, you know, they are of quality. Would I buy again? Absolutely. This tissue paper definitely takes gifting and DIY projects up a notch. And these are going to be great. As I said, I give lots of little gifts, and I want to make sure that they do feel extra special. So the final verdict, if you're tired of boring tissue paper and you want a bit of extra shine without the usual glitter mess, the glitter doesn't really fall off. This is it. It's fun, it's festive, and it's functional. Perfect for crafters, party preppers, or hey, anybody that has a special gift to wrap.